Hey guys, long time no see. I've really missed you. I hope you're doing fine and staying healthy, and get outside today because it looks like it's going to be gorgeous out. This is just going to be a quick little video about what to do on April 7th, kind of like the routine. Very likely that we'll make changes as we go and when we see what works and what doesn't work. But right now I'm logged in as Eva. Thanks, Eva. And the first thing that you'll do each day is help me take attendance by going to the attendance folder. For each one of the school days, there'll be an attendance link. So just click on that particular day. And it'll say it's out of 100 points, but don't worry, it's not graded. Go ahead and hit Start Attempt. It'll likely be the same question every day. And basically, this is our way of knowing that you've looked through all of your courses and figured out kind of what your plan for conquering each one of the assignments is going to be. So once you go ahead and put your answer in here then, and there's a review button down at the bottom there. And once you click that, there'll be another button that you can click to submit it. And once you've completed your assignment or your attendance, you can go ahead and start working on any assignment that you'd like. That includes specialists, math, ELA. I'm going to show you what our assignments are going to look like in our writing class. Everything will be organized in the weekly folder. And when you open the weekly folder, you'll see the various assignments. Now, the date that's here is the day that I would expect that you work on it. The date down here is the date that it's due. And you are familiar with this, so I don't think that we need to walk through each one of those. There will be some assignments that I ask you to take a screenshot of what you did and upload it here. And that's because that's the most seamless way for me to make sure that you've done it, instead of toggling back and forth between like a Padlet and the grade book. So make sure that you're reading all of the directions, and if it says take a screenshot of your score and upload it here, that you do that or you won't get the score. There will be times when you're invited to a conference, and the conference button is down here. And you'll just click on that, and you won't see any of the conferences that are coming up until I make those live. And there will be times when we actually do some conferences and we record them, and you'll find the recordings down here. So I'm going to try to just cut this off, make it short and sweet, and be sure that you either email or text me if you have any questions. Take it easy. I miss you guys. See you soon.